Sherry Ferguson here with Spotlight on Business, and I am here. Where are we, Mayor?
Here we are at Ball State Bank right here in the heart of Portland, Tennessee, and it's been a great facility in our community for many years. And so got a lot of exciting things happening. It's kind of an unusual time here that we're dealing with when it comes to banking, financing, and all that. So what's a couple things that you got going on that maybe somebody didn't know was a good time to come to the bank and do? Tell them what you got happening.
Ball State Bank has been doing a lot of consumer loan pre-approvals. A lot of people didn't really know that we did a lot of consumer stuff. They focused more on the business side. But with everybody being in the pandemic and not being able to get out and go vacationing, we've had a lot of requests for people wanting camper loans, boat loans, things like that, to where they can go out and get out and do some stuff with their family. So we got really good rates for those. Stop by and come see us, and we'll try to get you pre-approved for some of that stuff.
So if my wife is watching this, and I've been talking about getting, another old motorcycle, so can you help me out with that? I come in and then say, hey, Mike, you're approved for this much, and so when you go out and find that thing, you can go ahead and make it happen. Because it's good about being pre-approved.
It is. We get that pre-approval done so that everybody knows what they can spend, make sure the payment's going to be affordable. No surprises. We want to make sure everybody's prepared whenever they go out and they can make that offer. Give them a little traction when they negotiate prices and stuff.
That's important, isn't it?
It is.
Well, and some of these things are hard to find right now. People are looking for boats, they're looking for motorcycles, and everybody's out there in the market for them. So you get pre-approved, and that way when you are ready, they just call you up and say, hey, I'm ready to sign that, and we're ready to go forward.
They do, because a lot of people, they're looking for that camper, and they said, I find one, am I okay to go ahead and buy it? When we run their numbers and everything's ready to go, they call them back and the camper's gone.
Right.
So they need to have that before they go to make things a little easier for them.
Well, again, it's pandemic world we're living in, and a lot of things are hard to find, they're hard to get, but if you prepare and you plan here, Ball State Bank is going to have you all ready to go so that you can make sure you don't lose out on any of those. And home loans.
Home loans.
You do those too. So if you want to get pre-approved for a home loan, you can stop by here and do that as well.
Yeah, rates are down across the board, so home loans a good time to try to get that refinanced. If you need a little equity out of it, do a line of credit or something to make some home improvements. Put that swimming pool in if you're not going anywhere.
That's
like
right.
that.
There you go.
And Ball State Bank has always been a great partner with the chamber and the community here. You did a great job on working with those PPP loans.
Yeah.
A lot of banks weren't doing that, and this was something that helped our community, helped our businesses. We appreciate that. We appreciate all your partnership always with the chamber and the city with all their events and things that are going on as well.
Listen, Ball State Bank right here in Portland community, you have multiple branches.
Yep.
And so it doesn't matter if you're in the area, you can find one of those banks, bank local.